Hey, good morning. We're getting a bunch of birds. So we got wood to build some portable chicken coops. There we go. So Jessica and her mom went to Home Depot and surprised me with a bunch of wood yesterday. So I've started to unstack it and get things ready here down at the build site and figure out where. I got a lot of clearing here. That tree looks almost dead. Looking at getting the house moved right there tomorrow, and a container moved over here, and then priority today is a coop. So let's get it done. Sometimes you don't know what they give you there, so I go through each piece of wood as I'm stacking it out. I sort it out and separate it, but most importantly, I take all the staples out. And you'll find more when you're unloading it, but these will do damage to your saw when you're cutting. And so while I'm inspecting the wood and stacking everything, I take them all out. So this got kind of stacked funky. Put in a couple layers, but took all the staples out. These are all the good straight boards. So I'm setting those off to the side and see them. Oh, I thought I missed something there. And then I've got some coal wood down here that I'll try and bow back, but by stacking more lumber underneath it, or on top of it, I mean. So, gotta go through the rest of this now. When Jessica went and got the wood the other day, she's a sweetheart, and she got coal wood, which is my favorite because it's 70% off, 75% off regular price, and then the other pieces are actually holding up my other stack here. Anyway, just thought I'd point that out, that it's always good to find good deals, because if you don't need this length, you can always find the straight piece, or I don't know the reason why this one was even. Yeah, it's got a little bow in it, but it's pressure treated. Use it as a fence post. I don't know, probably not. All right, just got done unloading the first one. Trying to keep the sun off my face. All right, there it is. And I'll get ready to start building. Not sure what this thing on my car is. A fly.